In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a payment reminder in Chase. So the first thing you want to do to set up a payment reminder in Chase is open up the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Tap on your profile icon, which is in the top right corner. Then select Manage Alerts from the menu options. Choose the account you want to set up reminders for example, like credit card. Then under the payments category, look for the option to set up payment due reminders. Select how many days before the due date you want to receive the reminder. Choose your preferred notification method, like email, text, or push notification. Then save your changes. So for credit card payment reminders specifically, in the Chase mobile app, tap on your credit card account, select Profiles and Settings, choose Alerts, look for payment due or credit card payment alerts, select the reminder for your preferred number of days before the due date, select your desired notification method, then save your changes. So that is how you do it. If this video helped you, subscribe.